everybody, it's Josh from Twisted Motion. Just want to give you an update on this new turbo release. It's a 1JZ VVT-i turbo upgrade. This is the big wheel upgrade, big monster wheel. We grind it as much as we can get out of this thing to where the intake will barely bolt on with the little gasket. This thing is maxed out on wheel size. This thing is monster. Put my hand next to it, you can kind of see. The thing's kind of big. Stock wheels like this big, this thing's like bam! OEM housings, straight bolt on, hot pipe, exhaust manifold, all the same. Wastegate, all the coolant ports and oil ports factory the same. Direct exhaust bolt on. VSR balance comes with the balance sheet, gaskets, comes with all the studs, everything you will need for this turbo above and beyond. You can get this one on our website at twistedmotionlv.com.
Twisted Motion.